Man, y'all come on and put your hands together and tell the Lord thank you. Somebody else shout hallelujah. Somebody else shout glory. You know, boy, I'm all excited about the Lord. How many of you ever had to lay awake in the midnight hour and call him up because you had something wrong? You had to call him up because something's been going on inside me. You had to call him up because you need to hear another word from the Lord. I'm glad he ain't like Southern Bell. I'm glad he ain't like AT&T. I'm even exceptionally glad that he ain't like Farmer's Telephone. I'm glad that Suncom can't handle it. I'm glad that there's something called Google now. And you can reach anywhere in the world. You can reach out and touch somebody. All right, if you just call him. Somebody said I got my phone in my bosom. Every now and again I got to slip off in my clothes. I ain't got to wait for somebody else. I ain't got to check to see if I got a clear signal. All I need to do is get in my closet and I can call him and tell him what I want. I don't know about you, but every once in a while I have to make the call because things be going haywire. Every now and then I got to make the call because I just don't feel right. I have to make the call sometimes because something's been treated. I have to make the call sometimes because I've been overlooked sometimes. But when I make my call, I'm glad I don't get a busy signal. I'm glad I don't get he's not available. I'm glad I don't get that he ain't gonna come. I'm glad I don't get somebody's email address. But when I call him, he's on the other end saying, what do you want? I got what you need. All you gotta do is ask for it. So I don't know about you, but I get the right number. And just in case you don't have it, I want you to know this is a toll-free number. It's 1-800-JES. US. You can call it anytime. You ain't got to worry about the line being busy. I don't know about you, but I'm glad to report that even when we're having a bad storm, it don't clutter up the line. I'm glad to report that even after the hurricanes come through, it don't tell you because of the storm damage, we're not able to connect it the way you want to go. Oh, but when I dial 1-800-JES, US, I'm certain to receive somebody on the other line. And I'm glad you like some of us. Look at the number and mass pause. Some of us even mass delete. Some of us even send it straight to the voicemail. Y'all know how y'all do. Some of y'all even ignore the call. But I'm glad that I make my call. He don't treat me like that. He know that I'm in distress. We thank God for this. Another fifth Sunday. Folk usually call it the missionary Sunday. But I'm thinking that I'm on a mission for the Lord every Sunday. If I just wait till fifth Sunday, I might get messed up because there's a few months that'll pass that they even don't have a fifth Sunday here. But if I be on a mission every Sunday, then I ain't gonna miss. I ain't gonna miss what the Lord has for me. I found it awful strange. 5 whole months is no time. Sit down and begin. on